Welcome Pidgin Nation. Make we talk about Aptos blockchain. Wetin be Aptos? Aptos na layer 1 blockchain wey dey move things for Web3. Dem build am to dey fast, secure and dey easy for everyone to use. And e no dey lag like other blockchain. Wetin make Aptos dey special? Aptos dey use move programming language wey make the smart contract dey safe and also no dey cause wahala for developers and the users. Another interesting thing about Aptos be say many people fit build on top am easily wey no go even cost them much, wey be say you fit no use up to 5 naira to transact on top Aptos chain. People dey build the apps on top am, dem dey build games on top am, dem dey build marketplace on top am. Many things wey you fit imagine you fit build am on Aptos. Dis na just the beginning. I go dey bring you more updates of wetin dey happen for the Aptos ecosystem and wetin you need to understand about Aptos ecosystem. Make sure say you stay tuned and you turn on your notification so you no go fit miss out on many updates. See you later, Aptos.